Hi, hey, Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. What? That? No, I didn't stick my hand in one of those airplane toilets. That's a glove. Anyway, don't be silly. Anyway, yes, that's what I want to talk about. First off, let me talk about Dylan's, oh boy, there it is. Dylan's DIY workshop. It's his fault that I'm doing this. I watched his video. I've watched his videos for a long time. He's actually quite an entertaining young guy, and he's very knowledgeable about wood burning, among other things. But he just started off on a new series where he's talking about scorch pens. And in the process of doing a scorch pen, you have to wear gloves. And so he had a pair of rubber gloves on doing this last video. And he went to take them off at the end of the video, and he's talking to you, and he's pulling his video off, and I'm sitting there watching him. He did the pull the finger method, and we'll get into that in a moment. And it was so funny watching him. It took him probably 30 seconds to get the darn thing off, and he was really struggling. And I thought it was kind of humorous, but it got me to thinking, how many people really know how to take a rubber glove off? When I first put my first pair on, that I can remember, honestly, it was hell to get off. So I decided, maybe what you don't know is there's actually, I know of 3 different ways to take a rubber glove off. So I thought I'd just share them with you. Show me. So, the first way is the way Dylan was doing it. You just grab the fingers, and one at a time, you just pull it off. And you get it to a certain point, so you can really grab it, then you can pull it off. That's where he was kind of struggling, because his glove apparently doesn't have powder on the inside. That was a lot harder to get off. So, anyway, second way you can take it off is the way I always take it off myself. And because sometimes the glove is messy, sometimes it's not, and I want to really use it. But if you take it and grab it at the back and just peel it off just like the doctors do on all the doctor shows, and pull it off, and there you go. If it's gooey and you want to get rid of it, this is perfect because everything's on the inside. It doesn't contaminate your trash can when you throw it away. If you want to reuse it, then just grab it on the edge band of it, take and wad it back through so the inside is going back inside, and then blow it up like a balloon. And this is, I think, the preferred method most people. And if I want to throw it away, I still can. If I want to reuse it, I can. Or if I want to hang it up somewhere, I can just hang it up somewhere and let it dry out. If you're going to reuse it, even if there's something on there, it's best to blow it out first, immediately after you take it off. Because if it's something that dries and hardens, it makes it a lot harder to get those fingers to go back right side out if you don't. So blow it out first, trust me. So there is one third way of doing it too. This is the one I really had to share with you today. This would take some practice though. And it's really only made if you want to do it and impress your friends. So when you get it like this and you want to take it off, just grab it and get your mouth down on there and blow as hard as you can. And there it goes. Now, if you practice enough, you can actually get that thing to shoot all the way off. And sometimes if you really get good at it, you can actually get this thing to go across the room. It's quite a conversation piece sometimes. Anyway, I just wanted to share these 3 methods with you. I thought it was kind of funny. It got me to thinking about it because of Dylan, watching him take his gloves off. Dylan, thanks for the inspiration on this video. Keep up your great videos. And hopefully, if you have any comments or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, you learned something here today, hit that like button. Most importantly, though, come back again because we're nowhere near done. And thanks. And we'll see you again very soon.